पुलीस गायनेकोलॉजिस्टा बरोबर गेल म्हणटरी विचारता सांगता की FIR ना म्हणून ते परत तुमकां खबर ना रातभर तूं 4 देखून एक विक्टिमा घेवन तूं भोंवता आनी आम तुमचे विश्वासान रावपाचें. फायनली I want to ask Ranjita Pai, chairperson, you need to resign from this position. The BJP government for today need to put this seat out. Ranjita Pai has to go out. There is sufficient communication here, which I would want to think. She says, I think that lady is pro. You don't get much involved in that and move out from there. CM has definitely interfered, but you don't make a statement of that, please. रंजिता परब म्हणटा CM इंटरफियर जाला. हे आता AI जनरेटेड म्हणून हे हांव उडयनाका. हे AI जनरेटेड जाल्यार देखून इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करा, ते रिजाइन जावपा लाया. I understand from the news that on Tuesday the police will now present the victim before the magistrate on Tuesday to record her statement. I need to ask the police, the SP, why have your team not recorded the statement before midnight? From 8:30 9 o'clock रातचे मेळ्ळे तेन्नासन 12 देखून तुम रातीकड 2-3 वरां भितर कित्याक स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड करूंक ना? तुमकां इतलो टाइम कित्याक लागलो? कित्याक मेडिकल करूंक ना? कित्याक फोटो एविडेंस करूंक ना? वी डिमांड द SP to come out clear that his department has done a correct job. Number 1, bring the CCTV footage of Margaon police station. Who is the PI of the Margaon police station? Bring him on the table. We need all CCTV footages of that evening. I think we have spoken the whole thing. आता important here today is the whole narration has happened. We can keep talking for hours and hours. 8:30 राती कड़े विक्टिम मेळ्ळे. 9:30 in the evening victim was already under the police. From the police the victim has been roaming till whole day morning. So सकाळी 4 जाली. इवनिंग विक्टिमान म्हणलें की I do not want to complain सांजची 4. पूण सकाळी आख्खो वगत एक बायल मनशा घेवन पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल PSI घेवन भोंवता. वी डोंट नो वेदर अ रेप हॅज हॅपन्ड नॉट हॅपन्ड. ते मागीर टेस्ट करून करतले पूण टेस्ट करपा धाडना. सी हेर सगळें मागीर जाता बट सद्याक दॅट नायट वॉट इज दीस हॅपनिंग? आनी जेन्ना कोणाक कितें जाता टुडे इट वॉज अ इन्सिडंट ऑफ अ रेप विक्टीम. बायल मनशाक कितें जालें जाल्यार इज इट नॉट द ड्युटी? हांव SP कडेन विचारपाक सोदतां. आय हॅव सीन द न्यूज विच इज कम टुडे ऑन दी गोवन न्यूज पेपर आनी हियर दी SP साउथ Tikam Singh informed that the Margaon police station have registered the case of rape against unknown person based on a complaint filed by a female lawyer. मैं SP साहब आपसे पूछना चाह रहा हूं, आपको पता है कब कंप्लेन फाइल किया, कब FIR किया? आपने पूछा कि रात को 8:30 बजे ये स्टार्ट हुआ, शाम को 4 बजे तक आपके डिपार्टमेंट ने क्यों कंप्लेन रजिस्टर नहीं किया, क्यों मेडिकल नहीं किया? आपको पता है या इसी तरह का आपका व्यवहार है? आप IAS ऑफिसर हो, आप पूरा साउथ गोवा देखते हो. मैं आपको ये जानना चाहता हूं कि आपका जो PSI है, PSI का नाम है अनुष्का परब. SP साउथ गोवा नीड्स टू डू एन इन्वेस्टिगेशन. This Anushka Parab, why has she not done her duties as per the SOPs laid down? Ask Anushka Parab. Anushka Parab needs to go into an investigation and find out. Police officer Miss Prabhu Desai, lady, Fatorda Town Police. Why didn't she do her duty as per the SOP? She needs to go under investigation. Third is lady medical doctor on duty in casualty ward, South Goa District Hospital. Third government servant. Why didn't you do your duty? Gynecologist, gynecologist बरे गेले, थिंग gynecologist ना. Police गायनेकोलॉजिस्टा बरे गेल मुटरी विचारता सांगता की FIR ना म्हणून ते परत तुमक खबर ना रातभर तू 4 देखून एक विक्टिमा घेऊन तू भोंवता आणि आम तुमचे विश्वासान रावपाचें. फायनली I want to ask Ranjita Pai, chairperson, you need to resign from this position. The BJP government for today need to put this seat out. Ranjita Pai has to go out. There is sufficient communication here, which I would want to think. She says, I think that lady is pro. You don't get much involved in that and move out from there. CM has definitely interfered, but you don't make a statement of that, please. Ranjita परब मुट्टा CM इंटरफियर झाला. हे आता AI जनरेटेड म्हणून हे आउट उडय नाका. हे AI जनरेटेड जाल्यार देखून इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करा, ते रिजाइन जावपा लाया. She is saying CM has interfered. Has CM interfered? Yes or no? Ranjita Parab, Ranjita Pai knows. Ranjita Pai खबर आहे CM interfere झाला की नाही कित्याक ताण म्हणला. She needs to go home. She is not fit for this job. मोबायलाचे नंबर पया. I have only simple few things. Ranjita Pai, we need an answer. तुम्ही म्हणला CM interfere झाला. Give an answer. You not at all done anything. So in tege communication she is accountable for an answer today. The PSI Parab, she is accountable. The doctor in the GM district hospital, she is responsible to answer. Is in your domain. Justice need to be given. Number 1, victiman जरी तरी म्हणले आपल्या कंप्लेन दिवपा नाका म्हणल्यार केस संपली. रातची 8:30 सोन सांची 4 नेक्स्ट डे इवनिंग केस संपता आणि SP म्हणटा जाली FIR registered on an unknown person. I am only trying to tell everyone, आज जरी तर आमदार म्हणून निवडून हाडले आणि आम होरे वुमन सेफ्टी म्हणटाय जाल्यार इज दिस नॉट वुमन सेफ्टी दॅट शुड हॅव हॅपन्ड राईट. ही जी पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल आणि PSI तुमगे बायल जे आहा तेमकां पयलीं सद्या सेफ्टी दिवपाक कट्टा ओ तेंक बसोवन दवरलाय थिंगा. सो असेंब्ली आसपाक 4 दीस उरल्या आणि ही परिस्थिती दिस विल बी टेकन अप देयर. वी विल स्पीक. आय एम नॉट क्लेमिंग एनीथिंग. मेडिकल टेस्ट जावचे ते जावन ताजी रिपोर्ट येवचो ती वेगळीच गोष्ट जे जावपा जाय. बट जो सिस्टम सारको ना तो सिस्टम सारको करपाची गरज आहा. आमी जे आम आदमी आसा जे कॉमन मॅन आर डिपेंडंट ऑन द सिस्टम. सिस्टम सारको आसपा जाय. मेडिकला व्हरपा जाय ते अवगता जपाजप कोण त्यो अवस्था जावपा जाय. सिस्टमांतली मनशां अनुष्का परब सिस्टमांतली मनशां मिसिस प्रभुदेसाई फ्रॉम फातोर्डा टाउन पुलिस. And I am requesting all my colleagues in the assembly, outside the assembly, don't involve in these matters and don't stop the cases from happening. I am not going into any other detail. I am not going into who is responsible to do anything. I am not going into all the names that she had said. I am only going into these 4 names who are responsible for the public, who takes public money as a salary. इमचे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावची. I understand from the news that on Tuesday the police will now present the victim before the magistrate on Tuesday to record her statement. I need to ask the police, the SP, why have your team not recorded the statement before midnight? From 8:30 9 o'clock रातचे मेळ्ळे तेन्नासन 12 देखून तुम रातीकवार 2-3 वरां भितर कित्याक स्टेटमेंट रेकॉर्ड करूंक ना? तुमकां इतलो टाइम कित्याक लागलो? कित्याक मेडिकल करूंक ना? कित्याक फोटो एविडेंस करूंक ना? वी डिमांड द SP to come out clear that his department has done a correct job. Number 1, bring the CCTV footage of Margaon police station. Who is the PI of the Margaon police station? Bring him on the table. We need all CCTV footages of that evening. एक ती CCTV फुटेज तूं गायब करपाक शकता. जात जाल्यार कर गायब आणि लोकांक सांग तुवें गायब केलें म्हणून. मडगांव पुलीस स्टेशनची हॉस्पिटलची CCTV फुटेज गायब करपाक शकता जाल्यार गायब करा, नाजाल्यार दाखोवया लोकांक. वी नीड दीस. मडगांव घेवन भोंवले ते मडगांव आखे कदंबा KTC and all what she has written in the report. थिंगाय सगळ्या कॅमेराज आसा. We want this. This is what we want. The matter will be taken up. We will pursue this matter. We will go to court, and we will go to court to take the police department, to take the hospicio, that is the South Goa District Hospital, the department personnel who are there, and to take Ranjita Pai accountable for the statements that she is making. She has to step down from her seat and give reply to this, or she has to say that this is artificial intelligence. BJP full cell has to come out and say that this is artificial intelligence. हे करपाचें उरलां आतां, or they have to accept. हांव म्हणना हें सरकारान सांगिल्लें म्हूण म्हणपा ताका. She has said this on her own capacity, and if she has said this on her own capacity, then somebody is responsible to take her down from the chair. This is my demand. I will put this in also in return. We will talk about this in the assembly. I think she is going to put up a complaint. She has written to the DGP. She has written to several people. I request the Chief Minister to please take action, because your name has been taken here. If you are not going to take action on the police, on the department, then it is going to set an example की खरेंच आज बायलांक गोंयांत भिवपाची गरज आसा. तूं जरी तर एक्शन घेयना जाल्यार बायलांक भिवपाची गरज आसा. हांव सिन्सियरली मागता. वी आर हियर नॉट टू डू पॉलिटिक्स, बट वी आर हियर टू मेक शुअर यू पुट युअर सिस्टम इन प्लेस. हे पयले इन्सिडंट न्ही. पुलीस इज लॅकिंग बिहायंड डिपार्टमेंटान भरपूर प्रॉब्लम्स आसा. आनी हांवें हेज्या पयले कॉन्स्टेबलाक बिचोली वचोन CMा गेले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वचोन चोरी करता तसली कॉन्स्टेबलाक आमी असेंब्ली उलोवन आमी ताका भायर काडलेलो. वी हॅव डन दिस. So we are sincerely working. We want that our women should be safe. We want that people of Goa and the women in Goa live safely. So please, departmentantly ही जी पुलिस आहाय तांकां तुमी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करचें, तेंचे एक्शन घेवचें. जे कोण ते दीस रातीकोडे ड्युटीर आसले साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान तेंचेर एक्शन घेवचें, आनी तुमगेले जे चेअरपर्सन फॉर गोवा स्टेट वुमन्स कमिशन हेजेर तुमी एक्शन घेवचें. All other names, as what she has said, is her version, what she has proved here. But no, overall, the facts what she has presented
there's a statement here,
everything here,
which is also important. It points out at corruption in the NGOs. Ranjita Pai has stated, "Auda will take vitamin M and matter will be disposed." Don't get emotional, please. I'm telling you frankly, I didn't know what vitamin M is.
वेंजी बाबा एकूच म्हाका सांगूया, जेन्ना एक विक्टीम कोणी आसूं ती विक्टीम जेन्ना पुलीस स्टेशन वयता आनी आपलो इन्सिडंट जेन्ना सांगता, फर्स्ट पुलिसांचे तेजे मेडिकल करप आसता. पण हे कित्याक जालें ना?
दिस इज नॉर्मल न्हू. टुडे वी आर डिपेंडंट. यू प्लीज थिंक इट. डोंट लुक एट एनीथिंग एल्स. ते चोडवागे मेडिकल जावन वेदर शी वॉज रेप्ड नॉट रेप्ड ही वेगळी गजाल. एक बायल मनीस, वी आर ऑल मेन हियर इन दीस रूम. शी इज अ सिंगल कंप्लेनंट. Please look at this. The whole of Margao is watching. The whole of Goa is watching. एक बायल मनीसेक जरी तू फाल्यां कितेंय जालें जाल्यार वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक अ कंप्लेन. दॅट मीन्स सगळे सेटिंगाचेर काबार करपा जाता. आमकां कांयच पडून गेलें ना.
आपूण रजिस्टर करता न्हू,
करपा जाय.
कोणी दिवची कित्याक?
Now when the state has failed, what our question is, state has failed. What are we supposed to do? As common men.
कित्याक तेंचे पयलींच जर रिजेक्ट केला कंप्लेन फायल करपाक जाल्यार तांकां पयलींच फोनींग जाय एक तरी की बाबा कंप्लेन फायल करनाका म्हणून इन्सिडंट जाय. नाल्यार अशें जावं शकता की ते चोराची पयली केस थंय गेल्ली आसा आनी तेंच्या नंतर तांकां वॉर्निंग दिला की ते चोराचे.
मुगे एकूच रिक्वेस्ट
पयली फोन येयला.
मुगे एकूच रिक्वेस्ट तुमकां. ऑल नेम्स आर हियर. यू आर देयर ऑल ओवर गोवा. प्लीज गो टू एवरीवन and question everyone and put the questions to everyone. Here question answer घालून कांयच मेळपाना. Already the case has been thrown out. The victim says she is not going to go. But my problem here is why is the system failing? हे आज एक चलयेक जाला, फाल कितल्याकूच जाता and it is going unnoticed. It is going unnoticed because of this kind of system. If she did not have the courage to come and speak, जाल्यार हे मुखार येवपा नाशिल्ले. The question is not about names. The question is about the system. System ताऱ्यार घालपाक. आनी चेअरपर्सन रंजिता असले मनशां तुमी चेअरपर्सन करता, हे आनी कितें सांबाळटले बायलां गेले? हाऊ इज शी गोइंग टू कीप वुमन सेफ? सो एक अपॉइंट करता आसतना which commission has appointed her हाजेरी चौकशी जाची. असले मनशांक अपॉइंट करता आसतना कितकोन अपॉइंट करचें. सो आज कितेंय करता, nobody is doing any investigation of who is capable of what position. This is what is happening in today's governance, and this is what people need safety for. I am only purely talking about women must be safe. Department people need to know what they are doing. आज जरी तरी डिपार्टमेंटाक जरी तर आमी रिस्पॉन्सिबल करना जाल्यार फाल्यां होच डिपार्टमेंट तुमगेले सगळे बायलांक भुरग्यांक nobody will be safe. Nobody will be safe. And then you don't interfere in media, dear. My request to you, they are all opportunists. Chairperson म्हणटा.
Ranjita Pai Women Rights Commission.
No, Ranjita Pai is holding the chairperson. She is the chairperson of
Women's Commission.
Women's
Commission.
Yes. Goa State Women's Commission. Okay, so I think let us. I think she had a long day. We leave it here. I understand from the newspaper tomorrow collector फुडें हांव ते वचपाचें आसा आनी they are going to take a statement where she will say की म्हाका स्टेटमेंट दिवपा नाका, म्हाका कांयच जाल्लें ना, आपण बरें आसा. हें स्टेटमेंट फाल्यां येतलें. टॉपिक क्लोज जावपाक. बट वी डिमांड एन इन्क्वायरी इनटू ऑल दिस. वी डिमांड फॉर CCTV footages. We demand why this has led to this. That is the whole thing about it. We demand all medical experts to come together and do a medical test for her, whether that medical test still can show that the victim has suffered or not suffered. I think this is what is the state government needs to do, and I think you need to support by going and asking everybody who is involved in this matter what is right, what is wrong. At the end, there is something that has happened, and that has been closed overnight, and the victim was made to run everywhere. I think this is not done. We need to be safe. कोणूय सरकार आसो, म्हाका दिसता the police department needs to work for the safety of women because they also have women in their family, and you cannot let these things down. And if they are letting these things down, then by whose pressure are they doing this? Who is the one who put pressure? Because as per Ranjita Pai, she is pointing figures. So who has put pressure? Who has put pressure? And this is what is happening today.